You are watching One India News YouTube channel. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Jayalalithaa, who is admitted at the Apollo Hospital, is being treated after she suffered a cardiac arrest on Sunday, while all AIADMK MLAs have been told to assemble at the Apollo Hospital in Chennai by 11 a.m. Several party leaders and workers rushed to Chennai last night after news regarding Jayalalithaa broke out. Police deployment is heavy across the state, which has been put on very high alert. On Sunday, the governor of Tamil Nadu, Vidyasagar, paid a 10-minute visit to Apollo. Home Minister Rajnath Singh is understood to have told RA to ensure that security in the state is high, and the centre would provide all assistance. That's all in this news. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India YouTube channel.